work. By the way, you can try to build their graph also, right? Before we go to the vehicle, okay? So what we can do with this one, you can look at the conditional covariance. Just want to ask you, can we estimate the unconditional? Cannot. Unconditional one is actually well behaved, right? So we are not interested to look at the unconditional. So what we interested is look at the conditional, which we can model by using this Gash family. So if you want to look at their conditional covariance, like what we say the models, like the plot, right? So you can go to the conditional covariance, like the graph, the display. You can display their correlation. You can display their covariance, right? Let's say I display their correlation. So you can look at the graph. So you can try to say, okay, yeah, this is a conditional correlation. It's a time varying, right? Time varying. So for this conditional correlation for these two series, right? For these two, you can see the correlation actually is it increasing or decreasing, right? Correlation actually is increasing somewhere here, but now decreasing a bit. Then suddenly go up a bit, but it's still not that it's still below 1, right? Actually, the correlation is 1. It's below 1 here, right? Still below 0.8, but sometimes 0.8. So how about their conditional correlation, right? So you can go to their graph, for example, conditional covariance, like the variance, for example. Variance, right? And look at the graph. So this is the variance, right? These are the something like the plot, right? I complete the quick plot, for example, I want to look at the details here. Yes. Oops, sorry. So their variance, right? Their variance is it any different between these two series, between these two companies? So CIMB Bank actually is quite what we say high fluctuated, right? Especially in the year 2000, right? Maybe it's because of the Asian financial crisis, right? Early year 2000. Actually it's between late 1998, 1990 up to early 2000, right? Somewhere around here. I think it's somewhere related to the Asian financial crisis. So the return series actually is increased a lot in the late 2000, in the late 1990, as compared to the global financial crisis, which happened in the late 2000, right? Late 2000, 2007, 2008, right? Little bit. So the impact, right, on this Asian financial crisis, for example, has a very high impact, right, as compared to the global financial crisis. As well as the COVID-19, right, also is not that increased the volatility for the return, especially for CIMB Bank and also the Bank. But the impact is quite high, especially during the Asian financial crisis. But as compared to CIMB, the volatility for this Maybank also quite volatile, right? Quite volatile. But maybe because I brought them with a different scale, right? Because here it starts with 100, but here it starts with 200. So if you brought them together, you can compare much more precise, right? You can put the scale as well, right? You can put the scale, okay. So now, what else I can observe? I also can observe study what we say the covariance as well, right? Covariance. So these are the covariance together. So not only variance, together with their covariance for this conditional variance. So okay, so now what else I can estimate? You also can go to estimate different type of model. For example, the CCC. So CCC -1, and okay. So here 7, right? 7 parameter. You want to see actually what is N1 want to measure about, right? What is N1, N2? We can go to the representation. Again, if you open them here, I see here CCC, yeah. So CCC again as with the mean equation and then together with the variance equation. So this variance equation, you're going to have two, right? Because I have two written series. So I have a C set, have a two series, so I have a different equation, arch and flash term here. So the covariance here is a square root, right? Square root for the flash from the first written receipt together with the second written series. So what people are concerned about is the this coefficient, right? The rule, right? The rule we discussed just now, the rule that, right? The rule. You also can try to plot as well. You can see they are different, like the monoid paper, right? You see the monoid, sorry, the monoid, it's a monoid, yeah? See their covariance, right? The covariance and also the what we say, the conditional covariance as well, right? So now, how about go to their graph? For example, we look at the correlation graph, look like this one. It's a different, right? It's a different thing like this too. Then, how about their, this is a coefficient covariance. So how about their variance? So like this. So almost same, right? Yeah, almost same. Almost same, the CCC. Right? So now, how about the BEKK? If you go to the diagonal BEKK, then you say, okay, oh, how come like this? Just now I still can estimate. Maybe I start over again.